Now, me always hear people say Jamaica is not a real place. I me never understand the saying until it actually happened to me. Now, me dey on the town yesterday, and I see this brother with him hand hook up. So you can see say like, him deformed or something like that. And him a hop same time too. Now, me see him walk over to one girl and beg the girl a money. Him have some kind in him hand a shake up. Me have my car window wind up. So me wind it down and put a big piece of food in my hand. It's not really big to me. I did 5 grand still. It probably not big to no, but it big to me. See? Nevertheless, me give the man the 5 grand and big off my fist and say respect and thanks a million times. Me go round Juicy Beef go buy some patty after that. And the man see me and the man a beg me more money again, Right? Me say then me just bust you upon the money, man. After that, me gone. Today the man see me again, And the man beg me money again, After the man beg me the money, Me say, boss, then me bust you upon a thing yesterday, man, a decent little food. You hear what the man look for me and said to me this morning, say, if yesterday and today and a 2 different day. After me give the man 5 grand yesterday, and the man see me today, and I beg me again, The man tell me, and I ask me, say, if yesterday and today and a 2 different day, And no, me know say Jamaica is really not a real place, You understand?